Alright guys, so I made a tutorial on the wheel burnout effect, you get my point. So I promised to make a separate tutorial, another video tutorial on how to make a tire to spin, you get my point. And so that is what I want to do right now. So stay tuned and make sure you like and share this video. Make sure you comment whatever you think about this video. Let me know in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot, you get my point. So let's go. Alright, so I am on Capcut now, so I will click on new project and import a picture of a car, you get my point. Alright, so look at the picture I'm using right now, you get my point. So I don't want to really waste time on this, I want to go straight to the point. So as you can see, this is an image. One thing you need to understand is whenever you bring in a picture to Capcut, it automatically turns to a video. So as you can see, this is a 3 seconds video. Look at it right here, so you can play. It will not move because it's just a picture, you get my point. So what we are going to do right here, we're going to tap on this video layer, just tap on it. Now go and look for mask. Where is mask? So click on mask. When you click on mask, you click on circle. So now move this circle to it where the tire is. So you can play around with these arrows to make sure you have the tire, you get my point. So sometimes it may look like your hand will cover when you are trying to use this arrow to navigate it. So you can click on this adjust button right here. When you click on it, then you will be able to work on the position, the size, the rotate and the feather, understand. So as it is now, it is on the position, so you can click on this y-axis to take it up, you get my point. Now click on size. You can resize it, make it small depending on what you want to do, but we are looking for the complete circle of this tire, you get my point. So you're going to work on it, guys. If you are beginning to get value from this video, please do well to hit the like button and comment. Just say whatever you think about this video in the comment section, you get my point. I'll be very happy if you like this video. Please, like I said, like this video. Okay, right now I think I'm able to get the size of this tire. So what I'll do right here is for me to click on OK. Now tap on this OK button again, you get my point. So what you do right here is for you to save this video to your gallery. Once you are able to get the tire, you have to save it to your gallery, you get my point. Now when you are done with that one, you can click on done here. So you will click on new project and import the one you just saved, you get my point. Mind you, we want to spin this tire, so that's what we are working on. So you bring in the video you just saved, right? So guys, look at the video right here. So what you do again is for you to tap on it, just bring it out and then come here. As it is now, if you want to rotate this, you are not going to get it. Now let me show you an example. On the normal, if you go to basic, you click on basic here, you go to rotate, understand. If you try to rotate, look at what you are going to get, understand. And this is not what we want, this is not what you want. So I know some of us will be having this issue here. Now there is a secret you need to know about this, that's why you have to watch this video to the end, you get my point. Now let's bring it back to the 0 degrees. So this is perfect right here. So what you are going to do right here is for you to tap on this transform. Now go to resize. When you click on resize, you have the option for you to crop it. So you are going to crop it like this. Crop it, just crop it from down, from up. So you keep cropping it. Make sure you crop it to get to the edge of the tire, you get my point. So there will be no space. I don't know if you get my point right here, but if you do, let me know in the comment section you do. So when that is done, you can now click on OK, you get my point. So now you've gotten this tire right now. Add keyframe at the beginning of this video layer right here, you get my point. Now move the video to the end of the layer. You get my point? Somewhere here. Go and look for basic. Click on basic. Now click on rotate. Now rotate it. You get my point? Rotate it. Make sure you rotate it until it gets to the end. I don't know if you get my point. So you have to do it until it gets to the end. So let's go. Alright, so this is the end. This is how it stops. So I believe you get my point. If you have any issue, you can watch this video again. You get my point. So from here, just play the video you're gonna see. So look at it there. So maybe I did not crop it very well, but if you are trying to make this type of video, you need to take your time and crop it. I'm just doing this for the tutorial sake. You get my point. Now to add that burning effect, what I will do right here, I'll click on overlay. I'll click on add overlay. From here I will bring in the effect, then I will show you how to add the effect. Alright, here is the effect, the burning effect. So this is how it is. So from here I will tap on it. Now go to remove BG. From here I'll click on chroma key. Now move this color picker to where it shows green, just like what you see right now. So you have to increase the intensity. Increase it to, leave it at 30. So you can increase the shadow. Leave the shadow at 20. You get my point? And now you click on OK. So we still have the green color there. You don't have any issue. You don't have to worry. Now click on this navigation button. Let's go and look for adjust. Where is adjust? Where is adjust? Now click on adjust right here. Go and look for HSL. Look at it right here. Tap on it. Now tap on green. Now you have to reduce the saturation to -100. So as you can see, we don't have any green traces again in that effect. You get my point? So you can now click on this OK button and go back. Now we have the tire and we have the effect. Okay, from here now, what you need to do is to tap on the effect layer as it is. Now you can move the video a bit so that you'll be able to see. When it formed the circle, you can expand it. Understand? Now expand it, drag it towards where the tire is. Just like what you see here on screen. You get my point? So you can just leave it right here. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing right now, but if you get my point, let me know in the comment section you get my point. So if you are playing the video, you're going to have something like this. But as you can see, the effect is longer than the main video. So what you do here, tap on the effect layer, tap on speed. Go to speed. Now go to normal. So you can increase the speed to 2.0. Let's see. Or take it to 3.0 or 3.1, somewhere there. Let's just see what we're going to get. So as you can see, look at it there. So I believe you like what you see. Understand? So at this point I will want the effect to align with the main clip. You get my point? So I can do the adjustment till I make sure it aligns with the main clip. So this is how it's going to be. So after aligning everything, this is what you are going to get. So guys, when you are done with everything, this is what you are going to get, and I believe you like what you see. So from here you can export this video. You get my point?